Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10th exercise 3.5 question number 3. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Firstly, I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables because you can ask question to me what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question by two methods. First, geometrical method. Second, algebraical methods. Geometrical method shows three systems. First, consistent system. Second, inconsistent system. Third, consistent dependent system. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line and consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line and inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical methods. There are three types of algebraical method. First, substitution method, second, elimination method, and third, cross multiplication method. You can solve your question very easily, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. See the board. Pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10 exercise 3.5. Question number 3. Solve the following pair of linear equation by the substitution method and cross multiplication method. 8x plus 5y equal to 9 and 3x plus 2y equal to 4. It is given equation. You solve given equation and you decide the value of x and the value of y. You solve given equation by two methods. First, substitution method and second, cross multiplication method. Clear? It is very easy. Clear? See the form. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Given equations. Given equations are 8x plus 5y equal to 9. Equation first. You can write here 8x plus 5y equal to 9. You can write 5y on right side of equal. Then it become 8x equal to 9 minus 5y. 9 minus 5y or x equal to 9 minus 5y by 8. Equation first. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. You can write it or here you can write 9 on left side of equal. Clear? Left side of equal or 8x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. Equation first. Here equation first. You can write 8x plus 5y equal to 9 as x equal to 9 minus 5y by 8 or 8x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. It is clear? And 3x plus 2y equal to 4. Here 4 you can write it left side and you can write it on right side. Clear? Or 3x equal to, when you write 2y on right side of equal, then it becomes 3x equal to 4 minus 2y. 4 minus 2y or 3x x equal to 4 minus 2y by 3. Equation second. 3x equal to 4 minus 2y, x equal to 4 minus 2y by 3. Equation second. You can write it here. If you write 4 on left side of equal, then it becomes 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Equation second. Clear? Equation second. It is equation first. You can write it as 8x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. Equation first. It is equation second. 4 minus 2y by 3. Equation second. You can write it as 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now, substituting x equal to 9 minus 5y by 8. X equal to 9 minus 5y by 8 in equation second. In equation second. Here it is equation second. Clear? Then x equal to 3x, here 3x equal 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Equation second. It is equation second. You put x equal to 9 minus 5y by 8. Clear? Or you can write here 4 minus 2y by 3. Clear? You can write it. It is easy. Clear? Here you write x equal to 9 minus 5y by 8 equal to 4 minus 2y by 3. By 3. You can write it. It is same. X equal to 9 minus 5y by 8. X equal to 4 minus 2y by 3. So you can write x equal to 9 minus 5y by 8 equal to 4 minus 2y by 3. You can cross multiply here. Cross multiply. Clear? It become 9 3 ja 27 minus 5 3 ja 15 y equal to 8 4 ja 32 minus 8 2 ja 16. It become, you cross multiply, it become 27 minus 15y equal to 32 minus 16y. Clear? You can write it here 16y. You can write it on left side of equal, and here 27 you can write it right side of equal. It become 16y minus 15y equal to 32 minus 27. Here minus 16y. When you write it on left side, then it becomes plus 16. Here plus 16. Here plus 27. When you write it on right side of equal, then it becomes minus 27. Here minus 27. It is clear? You subtract it. Or 16y minus 15y. It becomes y equal to, here you subtract it. Clear? 5. You find y equal to 5. Clear? Now put y equal to 5 in. Put y equal to 5 in. Here x equal to 9 minus 5y by x, or x equal to 4 minus 2y by 3. Here in x equal to 4 minus 2y by 3 equal to 4 minus 2 multiply 5 by 3. Here y equal to 5. Y equal to 5 equal to, it become 4 minus 5 to the 10 by 3 equal to, you subtract it, it become minus 6 by 3. You can cut it. 3 1 ja 3 2 ja equal to minus 2. You find y equal to 5 and x equal to 2. Here equal to 2 minus 2 equal to minus 2. X equal to minus 2. You find x equal to minus 2. Clear? X equal to minus 2 and y equal to 5. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. You solve your question by substitution method and you find the value of x equal to -2 and y equal to 5. You solve. We solve equations. Given equations by substitution method. We solve given equation by substitution method and we find x equal to -2 and y equal to 5. Clear? No confusion about it. X equal to 2, y -2, y equal to 5. Now we solve given equation by cross multiplication method. Clear? Now here equation first, equation second. A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2. Clear? Now by the help of equation first, 8x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. Here A1 equal to 8, B1 equal to 5, C1 equal to minus 9. Clear? We find A1 equal to 8, B1 equal to 5, C1 equal to minus 9 by the help of equation first. Clear? And by the help of equation second. Now help of equation second. Here help of equation first, help of equation second. Equation second is 3x. 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. It is equation second. Clear? Here A2 equal to A2 B2 C. A2 equal to 3, B2 equal to 2, C2 equal to minus. We find A2 B2 C, A1 B1 C1. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now B1 B2 C1 C2 A1 A2 B1 B2 cross multiply. It is clear? By the help of this chart, x equal to B1 C2 minus B2 C1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1 Clear? Put the value of A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2. Clear? equal to B1. Here B1 means 5, C2 means minus 5 multiply minus 4 minus here B2 C1 B2 2 C1 minus 9 2 multiply minus 9 upon A1 B2 A1 8 B2 2 8 multiply 2 minus A2 B1 A2 means 3 B1 means 5 3 multiply 5 equal you multiply it 5 4 ja 20 minus 20 minus 20 minus 9 2 ja 80 minus 80 upon 8 2 ja 60 minus 5 3 ja 50 equal here minus it become plus minus 20 plus 18 upon 16 minus 50 minus 15 equal here you subtract it minus 2 upon 1 equal to minus 2 you find x equal to minus 2 clear and y equal to here C1 A2 minus C2 A1 upon A1 B2 minus A2 B1 put the value clear equal C1 A2 C1 minus 9 A2 3 minus 9 multiply 3 minus C2 A1 here C2 minus 4 A1 8 minus 4 multiply 8 minus 4 multiply 8 upon here A1 B2 A1 8 B2 2 8 multiply 2 minus A2 B1 A2 means 3 B1 means 5 3 multiply 5 equal multiply it 9 3 ja 27 minus 27 minus here 8 4 ja 32 minus 32 upon here 8 2 ja 16 5 3 ja 15 equal here minus it become plus minus 27 plus 32 upon here 16 minus 15 minus 50 here you subtract it minus 27 plus 32 clear it become 5 by here 1 equal to 5 hence we solve given equation equations by cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. And we find x equal to -2, y equal to 5. Answer. Here answer. You solve your question by two methods. First, substitution method, and you find your answer x equal to -2, y equal to 5. And you solve your question by cross multiplication method, and you find your answer x equal to -2, y equal to 5. Both are same. In this way you can solve any question very easily. Solution is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. In this way you can solve any question very easily. Clear? Like, subscribe and share is very important for you. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Okay.